I'm pretty sure any Generation Xer will remember the See and Say. The Farmer Says. This is one particular version. I'm pretty sure that there are other versions of the See and Say. I didn't have one when I was little. But many of my friends in doctor's offices definitely had one. This unit, I believe, is from the 1984 run. Oh, no, it's actually 1989. Made in Mexico. Anyways, this thing has definitely seen a lot of use, and it's time to clean up in my house. Yeah, anyways, got enough stuff these days, but not so much room. I've been advised that I can take this apart and see how it works, and I'm wondering if it's like an LP system, if there's something in there that like a needle running across something. So of course this version, it's all analog. You pull, it says, and the new version is all electric. It takes 3 AAA batteries. So let's get into this thing. A bunch of Phillips head screws in there. I'll get past that and we will be good to go. Let's see what's on the inside, folks. Interestingly enough, I don't believe I was the first person to get into this. Looks like there was originally a lot of glue around it at one point. It's not coming off too easy. Oh, I got clips to fight with, folks. I'll be right back. Oh man, I hate clips. Anyways, finally got everything out. It's not beautiful. There's a bit of hairies in there, so calm down. But ultimately, this is what it is. It's a pull string. The pull string winds around here. When you pull this up, it gives leverage and action to that unit. Might not be able to do this properly, but I'll give it a try. Come on. It locks when it's closed. Ultimately, what we got, pull string. You know Woody from Toy Story? This is how he works, right? That's pretty cool. Now I want to get inside it and have a look at oh, we can see most of it right here. That's interesting. Okay, so I believe that this is like a phonograph. Geez, the belt is still working? Man, that's amazing. Okay, so this is some unbelievably cool analog stuff. 31 years. That band is 31 years old. Wait, do I have that math right? It is. Anyways, what we got here, check out that phonograph. That's just like a little record right up here. Super interesting. That is awesome. And the stylus. This thing doesn't even have a stylus. That's a speaker down there. This thing technically doesn't even have a stylus. That is crazy. That is crazy. Alright, so we got some dust on the stylus right about here. I'm going to knock that off and I'm going to play it again. Here's the before. And this is the after. It definitely sounds much clearer. Okay, I was planning on throwing this out, but now I'm not so sure. Now I'm not so sure. Okay, so once again, we have the LP. We have the 31-year-old band. We'll have a spring gear in here somewhere. I wonder if that's a spring right there. What is that? Is that another belt? Yeah, and when you pull back, it brings the stylus back. And it drops it right down at the end. Then when I pull it, it brings the stylus to the start. That is some awesome mechanics, folks. It's so simple, I love it. It's just so simple. I mean, I wonder if I can clean up the pickups between the speaker and that arm. So literally the only thing running this is the vibrations that come from the bumps of this little LP, and it's read by the needle, which just vibrates through the plastic to bump against this speaker. Very basic. Alright, I'm going to clean up the arm and the speaker now. Alright, so I give everything a good clean. The LP, the arm. I don't think I'm going to get it to sound any better than this. One interesting thing on here that I don't understand is how the randomizer works. Every time you pull it, it ends up at a different space. Where's the randomizer? Or I wonder if perhaps it's all mechanical and they all go in order, but when it does itself a second time, maybe the randomizer simply failed to work. Alright, now I'm going to see if I can separate it without breaking it. This is as best as I can do. Okay, so that does not easily come out. There's the band. That band is still tight. Still didn't break. Amazing. There's a lot to be said about that. It really looks like something's supposed to run in along here, but I can't tell what it would be. Am I missing something? It doesn't look like a spacer. Oh, that's where the band is. Okay, that's where the band goes. The elastic, not the elastic, but the band to the spring. That'll be the spring unit right there. Oh, that's just weights. That's the spring. Those are weights. Huh. That is pretty cool. Now, I don't want to take this thing apart any further because I don't think I'll be able to get it back together if I do. And I think I want to turn this into a restoration project because I really like the way it sounds now. Anyways, I'll get that back together the right way. Anyways, folks, that's it for me. Nev from NASTech. But like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other.